Hi guys, here we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's check out what they have, guys. We're at the front of the store here, and they have a display of all these hair accessories. Okay, so here's some claw clips. They have the smaller ones, and here are the bigger ones. And then they have these guys back here, and those. So then they have this big one over here, guys. And those come in color. So they come in that black, that pink, and the beige in the back. Then they have these, and those come in the white and the red over there. Then, guys, they have, I like these ties, guys. Aren't they cute? So these have the paisley print. And so they come in the gray, the pink, and that's the blue back there. Then they have these regular scrunchies, and they come in this gray and black. They come in that color. Isn't that pretty, this color? Very pretty. And then look at these. I don't think I saw these, guys. These are new. Everything's always in the back, guys. Let's see. Let me see the back of these. They're fuzzy. And those look like they're just clips. Aren't they nice? So they have the gray, and there they are in the pink. Those guys are new. So these over here, look at this monster clip, guys. Okay, then they have these head wraps. Okay, and they have that in that cream color, the pink, and there's the black. Then they have these scrunchies over here in the animal print. Okay, I hope you could see that. Then they have more claws over here. Then they have these scrunchies over here. Aren't they pretty? More claws, more scrunchies, and look at these, the furry ones. These are so pretty. So they have the gray, the black, and they have that beige back there. So here, guys, are the headbands with the paisley print. So here's the blue, the pink, and there's the gray. And look, these are like velour. They feel like velour. And these are head wraps. And they come in that blue, the pink, and there's the black. So then they have these. More scrunchies, guys. The whole store in the front is filled with these. So more headbands over here. So look at this barrette clip. I think they only have that kind. And here's another scrunchie. And here are some combs, detangling combs. These are really nice. I should probably try those. And then they have some more of these velour scrunchies. Then they have these bow clips. And here they are in the rainbow. Here's the pink. And look at this, the scrunchie and the furry ones in the purple. And there back there is the pink, the lavender, I mean. And then they have some headbands. Here they are in the hot pink, and back there in the black. Then they have these over here with the ears. And then look at these. Okay, so here's the comb with the pom-pom in the green and that purple. I like that color green, and I love the purple. So let's see what's over here. Oh, look, guys. So they have the hand sanitizer with the ring on the end. You can hang it off of your book bag or your bag. I like this. Look at this scrunchie, guys, with the metallic colors. All right. So let's keep the focus, guys. So that's pretty neat. And here it is in the star. And here it is in this kind. So you have the little mini brushes, guys. You can throw this stuff in your book bag. The detangling brush, I like those brushes. So I'm absolutely loving these scrunchy bows. Look how cute with the glitter bows. I actually use those to embellish, guys. And then here is the velour bow for the hair. And look, they even have the pink bow and the hot pink. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. Here is the iridescent bow. I don't know what that's made of. Let's see. That's made of paper. Okay, guys, this is made of paper. I never seen that before. Okay, so more claws, more hair accessories. There's the comb. So I'm just going to scan that. Guys, look at the little small ones. I like these. I like the small ones, so I think I'm going to get one of those. And then here are the velour head wraps, the scrunchie brand. And then here, guys, is the little change purse. They have it in these kind. Okay, and then here are the bandanas. Guys, these bandanas are so cute. So it's a 2-pack. So that's 50 cents. You get 2 bandanas for $1. And here's the red and blue one. Here's the black and pink. And here's the black and the yellow. So then we have new socks, I think. So here's the donuts with the sprinkles. And then the purple one is the dog. I think that's the corgi. And then you get, it's a 2-pack. That's pretty neat, guys. It's a 2-pack. All right. I like that. That's a deal because that's that's 50 cents each. I don't know what this animal is here. So we're just going to keep that moving, guys. That's the corgi. This one over here. Is that the corgi too? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure about that one. Let's see what this one is. I think that one is that a hedgehog? I'm not sure if that's a hedgehog. And then this one over here. Okay, I'm not sure about that one. And then you get the bum socks, guys. These are good quality socks. So you get one for $1, but they're good quality, guys. And here they are in the purple, and here they are in the black, guys. Here's the white and the pink, the gray. And here is, what is that, a 3-pack of these kind. 3-pack. Very nice, guys. And then here you have the pandas. This is a 2-pack. This is the panda. See, this one is a dog too. I think that's a little French dog. These are the clouds. What are these back there? Those are the hedgehogs. And then these are the llamas. The llamas, and what is that, a cat? I'm not sure. Okay, so then we just got some fun socks, guys, but I'm telling you, these bum equipment socks, good quality socks, guys. I would get those. Very nice. And here's the pizza ones. These are very nice. So let me see. So here they brought back, guys, these tall flowers in the purple. What are they called? Delphinium. These are real pretty. Okay, so here, guys, we're in the front of the store, so I'm just showing you what we have. So at the front of the store here, we have the kids planners. On the bottom here, you have the 24-pack of pencils. They're the highlighters, and they're the clips. They're the highlighters over here, and here are the clip pens. And I think I'm liking these planners. So let me see. I like these planners. I keep them in my bag. I got to get better at organizing. So make today a great day. They have this watermelon 1-student planner. There's one with a watermelon. Let's see. We have the purple. Anyway, you get the idea, guys. And then what is this over here? So over here, guys, you have some stickers, some post-it notes over here with the plants, and then you have that long one over there, and it snaps shut. This is really cool. So I wanted to get some nice pens because I pick them up every year. So we have this whole wall over here of the permanent markers, the Sharpies. You know, the Sharpies. That's the one with the ultra fine point. So here's some highlighters in the pastels, and that goes all the way up. The permanent markers over here in the multicolor, and then the black, and then you have here the dry erase markers. So then you have these called Bic Intensity. So you have the blue and the red, the black. Okay, and then these Pentel, well, these are name brand. Okay, I kind of like the couture ones over here, so I'm going to grab one of those. So here's some gel pens, guys. So you got them all the way to the top, and then you have them in black and the blue on the top. These are all down here multicolor. Then you have the couture pens here. And we have the, oh, look at this, the googly eye pen. And then that goes to the top, and then you have the unicorn and the sloth, and here's the llama. Those are all pen stylus. And then these are pretty nice. These are mechanical pencils. The Pentel, and here are your color pencils, mechanical pencils, and all kinds of pencils, guys. Look at these huge, I like these. Aren't these adorable? I like those pencils. And here you have the grips. So guys, and then you have your erasers and your staplers and your scissors, your sharpeners, and along the bottom you have some journals. I'm looking for a big thick journal though. Okay, so let's see. Then you have your rulers, and you have your calculators, and even the scientific ones, guys. These here, These here are nice. And here are your index cards. Here's your post-it notes, guys. Now she's putting out stuff out of the boxes over here, so I don't want to take too much of her time over here. But you have some beautiful flowers. Like, look at these. What are those? Chrysanthemums? I don't know, guys, but look how beautiful that is. I'm loving these. So I'll come back to this section here when she's done. Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. Guys, let me see what's behind me. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we have our folders on our composition notebooks and our pencil pouches, our binders. Okay. I think I got this section. Guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out what's in the front of the store, and we're filled with school supplies. I'll see you in the next video.